Bay windows have long been admired for their timeless style and practical benefits. For homeowners in Palmetto Bay, installing bay windows can dramatically improve both the look and functionality of a home. With the area's sunny climate and beautiful surroundings, bay windows offer a unique opportunity to bring more light, space, and value into your living environment. One of the biggest advantages of bay windows is the abundance of natural light they provide. Unlike traditional flat windows, bay windows extend outward from the wall and typically consist of 3 panels angled to capture sunlight from multiple directions. In a bright coastal community like Palmetto Bay, this design allows homeowners to maximize the natural daylight entering their homes. More sunlight can make rooms feel larger, more welcoming, and more vibrant throughout the day. Another benefit is the sense of expanded space. Because bay windows project outward from the house, they create the illusion of a larger interior area. This small architectural extension can make a significant difference in rooms that feel tight or confined. Living rooms, dining areas, and bedrooms can all feel more open and comfortable with the addition of a bay window. The extra space can also be used creatively, such as for a cozy reading nook, a small seating area, or a decorative display. Bay windows are also known for enhancing curb appeal. Homes with bay windows often stand out because of their elegant and distinctive design. The outward projection adds depth and architectural interest to the exterior of the house. In Palmetto Bay neighborhoods where property aesthetics matter, this upgrade can instantly elevate the appearance of your home. Whether your house has a traditional or modern design, bay windows can complement the style while adding a touch of sophistication. Improved views are another reason many homeowners choose bay windows. Palmetto Bay offers lush landscapes, tropical greenery, and scenic surroundings that homeowners naturally want to enjoy. Bay windows provide wider viewing angles than standard windows, allowing residents to appreciate outdoor scenery from the comfort of their homes. This panoramic effect makes indoor spaces feel more connected to the natural beauty outside. Energy efficiency can also improve when bay windows are installed correctly. Modern bay windows are designed with advanced glass technologies that help regulate indoor temperatures. They can reduce heat transfer, keeping homes cooler during Florida's warm months and helping maintain comfortable temperatures year-round. With proper insulation and high-quality materials, bay windows can contribute to lower energy costs while maintaining a pleasant indoor climate. Another customer-focused advantage is the increased property value that bay windows can provide. Home improvements that enhance both beauty and functionality often make properties more attractive to future buyers. Bay windows add a unique architectural feature that many buyers appreciate. The combination of improved lighting, additional space, and enhanced aesthetics can make a home stand out in the Palmetto Bay real estate market. Bay windows also offer flexible interior design opportunities. Because of their shape and depth, they create a natural focal point within a room. Homeowners can add built-in seating, decorative cushions, indoor plants, or custom shelving. This versatility allows homeowners to personalize the space while making the most of the window's structure. The area can easily become one of the most inviting spots in the home. Finally, bay windows contribute to a more enjoyable living experience overall. The combination of natural light, expanded views, and extra interior space creates a brighter and more comfortable environment. Many homeowners find that rooms with bay windows quickly become their favorite places to relax, read, or spend time with family. For Palmetto Bay homeowners looking to enhance both the beauty and functionality of their homes, bay windows are a valuable upgrade. They bring together style, practicality, and comfort in a way that few other window designs can match. With benefits ranging from increased natural light to improved home value, installing bay windows can be a smart and rewarding investment for any property.